Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best tools, gadgets, and gear to help you work smarter and safer. In today's episode, we're featuring what we consider the best hard hat safety helmet adjustable on the market right now, the Leumoi 8 pieces 4-part suspension hard hat set. Let's get into why this helmet stands out. If you're in construction, warehouse work, mechanics, or emergency rescue, head protection isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And if you're buying for a team, you need something that's safe, durable, adjustable, and cost-effective. That's where Leumoi's bulk set comes into play. Inside the package, you're getting 8 high-quality white safety helmets, built to not only protect but also last. First off, the material. Each hard hat is made from ABS, or acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. If that sounds intense, that's because it is. ABS is known for being heat-resistant, impact-tough, and extremely durable. These helmets can take a beating, resist deformation, and won't fade over time. Whether you're working under the scorching sun or exposed to harsh environments, these helmets are designed to go the distance. Next, let's talk comfort. One of the major pain points for anyone who's worn a hard hat all day is that annoying pressure or lack of airflow. Leumoi tackles this head-on with a cotton brow pad and well-designed vents that keep your head cool throughout the workday. And if you've ever had a sweaty brow under your helmet, you'll appreciate how much this little pad improves the wear experience. Now for the feature that sets this product apart: the 4-point suspension system with an adjustable ratchet. Instead of forcing one size to fit all, these helmets adapt to you. With just a quick turn of the ratchet knob, the fit adjusts to accommodate head sizes from approximately 20.5 inches to 25 inches. No need to remove the helmet while adjusting. It stays snug, secure, and comfortable, exactly what you want when you're focused on the job and not your gear. What also makes these helmets shine is how well they balance utility with style. The clean, white look is professional and ideal for all kinds of job sites. And because you're getting 8 in a pack, it's perfect for teams, crews, and group projects. It's not just about individual protection, it's about outfitting an entire workforce efficiently. And let's not forget the versatility. Whether you're a plumber, builder, carpenter, welder, or working in rescue operations, these helmets have you covered. They offer protection for a wide variety of environments and job types, giving you peace of mind without compromising on comfort. If you're serious about workplace safety and want a bulk solution that doesn't sacrifice quality, the Leumoi 4-part suspension hard hat set should be at the top of your list. Reliable build, comfortable wear, and adaptability, all at a value that's hard to beat. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more no-fluff reviews on products that get the job done. Stay safe, stay protected, and we'll catch you in the next one.